Honey Rose, McBean, my boy Jahari straight out of Brooklyn. We had a good show today, man. You know what I mean?
Yes.
We got so much more on the way. Stay tuned for next week's show, man.
Sound Show Radio.
July 8th, man. It's going to
DTF
be a big event. You know what I'm
Radio.
saying? This is Mike Check Series Artists and Repertoire Workshop event. You know what I mean? Hosted and curated by Sound Show Radio. You know what I mean? We about to make sure that this is crazy. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Shout out to my boy Jahari for bringing some of these amazing artists through, man. Got his hands tied to so many dope up and coming artists. They're working on so much hot music. You know what I mean? Shout out to Yanni Rose for coming through once again and having a fire show. You know what I mean? Thank you again, Yanni, for coming through. And we will see you next week for that big event that we having next week. You know what I mean? Thank you again for letting me know that you're one of the nicest up and coming female artists or artists, period. You know what I'm saying? Right. You know what I mean? Male or female, Yanni is wrapping circles over people's heads.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? That's what we talking about. Shout out to McBean, man, for coming through, giving his individual, special, different, unique style of his artistry. You know what I'm
Flatbush,
saying?
Brooklyn.
That's a fact. Shout out to Flatbush, Brooklyn. You know what I mean?
Shout out to Best I Do
Yeah,
Or
thank you for
Die.
coming through, my G. Having an amazing show, right? Tell them stay tuned for next week's show. There will be so much more. You know what I mean? Shout out
right.
to So Wada for
That's
posting
right.
another dope show, man.
That's right.
You know what I'm
Shout out to
saying?
Yes Mika Best 77, y'all.
Right, shout out to Just Mika, right? Shout out to Mika, you already know the deal, me. You know what I mean? Shout out to Cuzzo Wrestling 77.
Absolutely,
And
yeah.
again, shout out to my boy Nova, amazing dude, man, bringing together so many dope artists. So much more. Stay tuned for next week's show, July 8th, man.
Lock in.
It's definitely gonna be hot. Mike Check Series Artists and Repertoire Workshop listening session. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for so much more. You feel good?
We're not shooting.
Oh, listen, come on. We're in the station, though. What you do, man?
Yeah.
That's a fact, man. Shout out to Gio. Gio, what's good, man? You know what I mean?
What up, Gio?
Definitely, you see Gio right there. What up, Gio? We definitely gonna have the whole ball of music.
Professional
Come back
grinding
soon.
clothing.
You know
What
what I
up?
mean? Get a crazy show going with that, man. You know what I mean? We'll be playing West Crave, Welcome to Harlem soon, and all of that, man. Stay tuned.
Absolutely.
Along with Richie Lee, who's single, and all of that, man. So stay tuned. Shout out to everybody who supports us.
Okay.
We get ready to do some drops for the show, and we're gonna get ready to get up out of here, man. This is our post show. Thank y'all to everybody who supports what we doing. We get ready to take some pictures, do a couple of drops, and we holler at y'all later, right? So
That's right.
This is the post show for Sound Show Radio Special Edition. We holler at y'all
See y'all next week.
One.
Peace.